How to buy MYRO. MYRO is a meme coin dedicated to the dog of Solana co-founder Raj Gokal and has recently gained enormous popularity. However, we don't want to introduce you to the coin in this video. Instead, we simply want to show you how the purchase works. So let's get started. In this case, we will show you how to buy MYRO with Binance and Phantom. You can find the links below in the description. However, you can also use another exchange such as Coinbase or another extension such as Trust Wallet. But it's the same principle. First of all, you need Solana. To do this, we first convert existing cryptos to Solana. In this case, we have USDT, which we convert to Solana. Click on Preview Conversion. Now click on Convert. If you now have Solana, you can send it to your Phantom wallet. To do this, we go to our wallet. Now we click on Withdraw. And here we select Solana. Now we need the Solana address from our Phantom wallet. To get this, open the Phantom wallet and click on Solana. Click on Deposit and then copy your address. Now you can enter the deposit address here. Then select the amount you want to transfer to your Phantom wallet. In our example, we simply click on Max to transfer all the Solana we have. Now click on Withdraw. Click on Continue. Now you just need to complete all the security verification requirements you have set up to continue. In our case, we will simply skip this. Okay, Solana will now be sent from Binance to your Phantom wallet. Here you can also see the transaction fee. Now click on Complete. Solana has now been successfully transferred from Binance to our Phantom wallet and is also displayed here. Next, open the website Raydium.io to buy MYRO with your Solana and then click on Launch App. Now click on Connect Wallet. The website will now be connected to your Phantom wallet. Okay, now you can see that our wallet has been successfully connected. Next, we want to swap Solana for MYRO. Enter the amount you would like to swap here. Now you have to be careful. If you only enter MYRO here, you will be shown different tokens. And it may be that you select the wrong token. To be 100% on the safe side, copy the contract from coinmarketcap.com and then paste it in. Now you can be sure that you have selected the correct coin. Now select the amount you want to change. In our case, we have already done this and then click on Swap. Then confirm it on your Phantom wallet. That's it. Now it takes a while until the transaction is completed. We will briefly skip the waiting time. Okay, now the swap is confirmed, and we have successfully bought MYRO. Here you can see that our MYRO tokens are now also displayed on our Phantom wallet. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.